In this tutorial, we are going to extract all the text from this mixed character using a formula. We have number and text in this cell, and we are going to extract all the text from the right to the next column, which is column B. In this scenario, we have all the text at the right of our cell. So if we extract from the right, we will get all the text. But to do that, we will need to process the entire text. Now, to solve this problem, we will need to specify how many characters we have in this cell and how many of them are text and how many of them are number. Now, when we find how many of them are text, then we need to find out which one is the first text started in this range. So let me start the formula and you will understand how it works. So first, we need to calculate how many characters we have in this cell. So I'm going to write here length of cell A2 will be 9. Now we need to make this a cell reference so we can insert this inside the row function so we get each character individually. Let me show you how it works. So if I write here row and give it 1 to 6, it will give us row number from 1 to 6. If I press enter, we will extract row number 1 to 6. Remember, it's working because we are in the latest Excel version. If you are in the older version, the entire formula we are going to construct here will be an array formula. So we'll have to press Ctrl Shift Enter to make it work. For now, we have to construct a scenario where we will use this row function in this way so that we can extract all the characters from this cell A2. Okay, so row function requires cell reference and you cannot give cell reference from another formula unless you are using indirect function. Indirect function can convert any text into a cell reference. So here we have our length. Okay, so if we want to insert this length inside our row function, we will need the help of our indirect function. So we are going to write here indirect and we need to insert within double quotation 1 colon. So this is the first part of our cell reference that we want to create, and the second part will be ampersand here and our character length. Now if I close parenthesis and press enter, it will not work properly. It will give us a 0. Now if I insert this inside the row function, and now in this example we have written the first part of our reference and second part of our reference from the length of our word, then we converted them into a cell reference using the indirect function, and then all the cell reference we have put inside the row function. If I press enter, you can see we have found all the row numbers. So if we had here, let's say 7 character, our row function will extract only 1 to 7. Now instead of extracting cell length, let's extract all the characters from this. We can do this using the mid function. So I'm going to wrap it up with the mid function. Right here mid, double click here, text will be this one, cell A2, add comma, starting number will be our array with the cell length. So for each number we'll extract each character from this cell A2, and then I'm going to add comma and number of character will be 1. So close parenthesis and press enter. We just extracted each character from this cell and paste it here inside our array. Now let's convert it with true and false. So if I add minus twice before the mid function, it will try to convert everything inside this array into a number, which is impossible for these 4 characters because they are alphabet, not number. So if I press enter, we will get the number and we will get the error. Now let's wrap it up with our ISERROR functions to convert all the numbers and all the errors into true and false. Okay, so I'm going to add ISERROR here, double click, and the value will be this one. If I press enter, now we get all the false for number and we get all the true for the text. Now if we somehow find the first true inside this array, that means we will find the first text inside this cell, which is L. Okay, so for that we are going to use the match function. Okay, so match, double click here. What do you want to find? The lookup value. It will be true. Double click here, add a comma, and lookup array will be this entire array we have written, and then add another comma and we need exact match. Okay, now if I close parenthesis and press enter, we get 6. So match function found true at the 6th character. Okay, now here if we count it manually, so 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have L at the sixth character. Now we need to extract from here to here. That means we need to extract everything to the right starting from the sixth character. We can do that using the write function. Okay, so I'm going to write here equal to write. Double click here. The text will be this one, cell A2, add comma. Now number of character, how many character we want to extract from the right. Okay, so we need to calculate how many character we have in this cell first. So I'm going to write here len and then A2 close parenthesis. So this will be number of character inside this cell, and let's deduct it with the number we get from our entire formula, which is 6. Okay, now let me explain why. We are going to extract all the characters inside cell A2 starting from the sixth character. We need to use the right formula where we have instructed it to extract all the character from the right starting from the sixth character. So to do that, we need to calculate how many character we have. We have here 9 characters, and we have found through our entire formula we have L, which is our text, is at the sixth character. So if I extract 9 minus 6, 3 character. But here we have a problem. We need to extract the L also, which is the sixth character. So if I add here +1 and close parentheses and press enter, we have extracted our name successfully from here. Let me copy the format. Okay, now if I double click here, it will work fine. So this is how you can extract names from a mixed reference in Excel, and this is how we usually construct a formula to get the result we want. We start from a single point and then we work our way out. So this is how we create formula in Excel. This is how you can use this formula to extract names from the alphanumeric cell value. Thank you. Thanks for watching.